Achieve robust, secure, and efficient network operations, ensuring your seamless connectivity and proactive management. Maintain optimal network performance and security with continuous monitoring and alerting. Experience comprehensive managed network services that cover all aspects of your network infrastructure. Benefit from special features including comprehensive network management and advanced monitoring and alerting. Enjoy end-to-end network management, covering everything from routing and edge security to firewalls, switches, and end-device connectivity. With continuous monitoring and alerting, you'll benefit from proactive maintenance. Early warning indicators enable us to maintain your network's optimal performance at all times. Experience the advantages of network management, proactive maintenance, and continuous optimal performance. Work smarter and work safer with absolute confidence. Work with us. Contact Apogee today for comprehensive managed network services.